Hi guys, there is here a computer we want to use at home. I set up a Windows installation in it. My son bought a Windows license for it. But there is a problem with the computer. The fan is very noisy. So I have to fix the fan before to let the computer to enter in internet and make the Windows license registration. Otherwise, I can lose that license. So let's watch how did I fix it. I'm going to use this computer in the office, in the lab, with Windows, KiCad and LibreOffice. So I need the Windows license. In this moment, I'm removing the battery. That's very important, guys. And it was worth it to do it. You can appreciate it because the speed, but I dropped one of the screws on the main board. If I didn't remove the battery, probably will be a permanent damage on it. To remove the screws, remember in the processor to follow the number from the higher number to the lowest. Now we're coming to the moment of the fixing. Please pay attention. I will just pull back. It's held by the magnetic force. It looks easy, but be careful because probably you can break the wings or the pallets if you don't do it right. I'm using white grease or Vaseline. There is one for plastics we use in electronics. If your local supplier doesn't have, there is white grease for engines in cars. That one is the best. Be gentle. Add a good portion. Make sure the bottom of the axis, where is our main problem, get the grease. Also the whole wall, don't worry about it. You cannot see it here, you cannot watch it, but I'm cleaning the dust from the rotor. And that's it, that's all the signs. Guys, the changing when I assemble this computer will be huge. It will sound like a nice and smooth, like a new ventilator, like a new fan. And right now, I'm checking that the pallets, they do not touch the upper cover. Alright, now we can screw everything back. I'm removing the contact paste, the thermal paste, for the chipset, for the video chip and microprocessor, adding new one, taking care of the excess, not too much. Don't forget to connect the fan, guys. Now pay attention because the microcontroller, microprocessor, you have to screw it from the number lowest to the highest. Has to be in cross in order to apply the right mechanical force on the surface. Tight everything. Now we are going to place the battery back and let's listen in real time to the ventilator or the fan. We didn't need to replace it. It will be like 18 days to get it back plus the normal mail days. The fan is not making any noise. And now I'm sure I can use this license we bought for this computer. Next step is to enter in internet and to let the Windows to register its license. In one of my videos, I said, guys, get legal. It's very important for your business always to do the right things. Remember, insurance, taxes, license, whatever you need to do it right with your business, don't ever let anybody to step on you. Thanks guys by watching the video. See you next time.